Linking your bank account to your Wish account allows for easier transactions and a smoother shopping experience. Follow these steps to connect your bank account. Step 1. Open the Wish app or website. Launch the Wish app on your mobile device or visit the Wish website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name, typically located in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Payment Settings. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Add bank account. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Select bank account from the list of available payment options. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save All Link button to complete the process. Now your bank account is linked to your Wish account, making it easier to manage your purchases. Enjoy your shopping experience.